Hey guys, Theodore from Student Paramedics here. Now today we're going to walk through how to use an emergency bandage, aka the Israeli bandage. Now the Israeli bandage has been around for about 20 years and it's designed to stop bleeding of a hemorrhagic wound by applying pressure directly onto the site of bleeding. Now it's one of only a few pressure applicator bandages, and this bandage in particular can apply around 15 kilograms of force onto the site of bleeding. You can secure it in with a special bar so it doesn't move and it keeps that pressure steady. So we're going to open this one here up, we're going to have a look at it, and then we're going to walk through how to actually apply it. To open it, you can pull apart any one of these notch places on the packet here, just like that. Inside it's going to be in another plastic film. So to open that one, there's tabs in the exact same spot. This may open automatically with the outer packaging as well. So once you actually open up the bandage, you can immediately see the pressure applicator right there. If you open up the leading edge here, you can see a sterile, non-adherent dressing there, which conveniently your hands are automatically positioned either side of that. Now there are some really easy to understand instructions on the back of the packet there, but we're going to walk through together now how to apply it. Okay, so as we saw, we conveniently have our hands automatically positioned either side of that sterile dressing there, so we can apply this onto the wound as such. We're going to have the pressure applicator offset to the side of the wound. As you can see, it's not directly in the center of that dressing. So we're going to run through the process of self-application of the emergency bandage right here. Now for self-application, these bandages conveniently have a loop right at the end of the bandage. So you can go ahead and put your effective limb right through that loop. Next, you want to bring that dressing right up to the side of the wound. Get some tension, put the bandage through the pressure applicator, pull hard, and then start tensioning the opposite way. Now to maximize pressure, you can actually twist on top of the wound each time you go around. You're going to notice a significantly greater pressure being applied if you do it that method. Once you get towards the end, just wrap it flat so you've got a few layers to secure it with the closure bar. Now the closure bar has these two pins on either side, and you're going to hook them underneath at least 2 layers of bandage on either side of the bandage, and they've got teeth to grab in and hook in, and that's going to be secure, nice and secure, and you can feel the pressure being exerted there. So that's what the finished product should look like, nice and secure, nice and flush and tight. Now you can see that there's a venous tourniquet effect occurring, which means that we've got a fair amount of pressure on there, which is quite nice. So you can see the difference in colors of my hand here, and you can see the blood pooling in that hand. So I'm going to remove this very soon. Just remember, if you're applying this due to significant hemorrhage, that does not negate the need of a tourniquet. So you're going to put that about 2 to 3 inches or 5 centimeters proximal to the wound or to the edge of this bandage here, really. I'm going to take this off before suffer compartment syndrome. Remember, with an Israeli bandage, that also doesn't negate the need for gauze packing or hemostatic agents if you have them on hand. So you can go ahead and you can pack with some combat gauze, or you can put a 4x4 dressing on there with hemostatic agents, and then put the Israeli bandage over the top of that again. Guys, I hope this video was informative, hope it helped. If you have any suggestions for future videos, or if you have any input in regards to how I apply the Israeli bandage here today, please let me know in a comment. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Make sure you tick the box for all videos, and I'll see you next time.